Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of compiler design. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 1 question number 2. Which one of the following statement is false regarding the symbol table, and 4 statements are given. Let's check one by one option. Option A, symbol table is responsible for keeping track of the scope of variable. Yes, this is true. Next option B, symbol table can be implemented using binary search tree. Yes, this is true. Option C, symbol table is not required after parsing phase. This is false. Symbol table is used by all the phases. In initial phases, we store the information. In rest of the phases, we use the information. So, symbol table is required for all the phases. As it's written, not required after parsing phases. That's why it is false. Next option D, symbol table is created during the lexical analysis phase. Yes, this is true. Symbol table is created in the first phase. First phase is the lexical analysis phase. So we found option A, option B and option D are true, while option C is false. In question it is asking which statement is false. So answer will be option C. Symbol table is not required after the parsing phase. This statement is false. It is required for every phases of compiler. I already discussed symbol table and phases of compiler. Just go through first chapter of compiler design. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.